Hi, I'm Bob, and this is my bike check. Start off with the frame. It's an Eastern Grim Reaper Eternal, a brand new one. I got Sabrosa Kiss grips with the matching bar ends. Got Kink Badger V3 bars, 8.8 rise, whatever. Got a Shadow attack stem with a Pink Odyssey headset and fit shiv forks. My front wheel is an Odyssey hazard light with a Coalition front hub and on an animal tube because I roll like that. My seat is a Shadow, the really fat one, because I like cushion on my ass. I have profile cranks with one Odyssey pedal and one Duo pedal. My sprocket, I'll flip the bike around so we can see this. The Shadow Scream 25 tooth, it's holding up. My chain's a KMC, I don't know, I bought it. My back wheel is a profile SS Mini to a Pink Odyssey hazard light and a GLH tire. And I have Shadow pegs and the G Sport hub guard and a BSD. My seat poot's kink.